Okay, so how to attend this question? You can try this online. Okay, same question set what we are going to give. So you have to. This is a website. It is sharing. Okay, this is oi.boonindia.com. You have to click oi.boonindia.com. We will then if you enter it. Okay. So it will ask username and password, which we will create and give to you. So this is a question sets. You will not have access for all these things. You will have access for 653 related. 653 related. So there will be 3 question banks. Yes, please. 3 question bank we will give you access. One is 653 major codes. Another one is 653 important cubic and common codes. Okay, this 3 we will give access. So let us go to the 653 major codes. So if you take 650, we have 196 questions. It includes all sections from chapter 1 to all annexed including. So that's why I told you yesterday we have around 200 questions. So how to attend it? So you have to give the start exam, almost similar to AP exams. So question will appear like this, you have to answer it. Okay, we'll try this in this format today. So chapter 4 is start from 17 to 35 because I have a number. Right. So this is where the chapter 4 question starts. Yes, please read.
API of 650 materials to be used in the construction of tanks covered by the standard. It is permissible to use materials other than those listed in this.
Just to check your code book, chapter 4, section 4, and answer it. If you are not able to find out, I will answer this. Section 4 தான் வச்சிருக்கீங்க ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்து போங்க. $650 lists metal to be used in the construction of tanks covered by Senagitis. Is it permissible to use material other than those listed in the standard? What is the answer?
D, sir. D.
So the answer is D. So where it is given? Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Shall we just now we started? Okay, right. So answer is D. So where it is given, if you go to this one, you can see here. Metal produce specification other those listed in the section may be employed, provided metal certificate to all the requirements on applicant metal specification listed in the standard and the metal is approved by the purchaser. That is the answer. Okay. So we'll go to the next question. So after attending, you have to click the next. Okay.
Cannot be completely identical. May still be used in the construction of tanks. These robots.
Just read the code book and answer me. Which one is the correct answer? If a new or unused plate, sorry. Annex N. So we have to test prescribed in the annex N. So where it is given annex N, we have to follow. It is given here 4.1.3. It is given in 4.1.3. Annex N, we have to follow this. So online, I hope you are following. Everybody is following. So we are attending question of chapter 4 in the online format actually. This we will give you access up to your exam, online people. Okay. You are also, you will get also answer. Okay, no problem. Access. Next.
What is the maximum permitted underrun for shell group and bottom?
So what is the maximum underrun?
0.3.
Okay, check this. Which one is equal to 0.3 mm?
Not more than 0.3.
Okay. Which one is the correct answer?
0.0.
So 0.01 inch from computer design thickness or minimum permitted thickness. Where the answer is given, you can see the next page. The underrun 4.2.1.2.2, it is given not more than point from the computed and the minimum permitted thickness. Next one, yes,
Shell plates are limited to what maximum thickness?
okay, shell plate
Maximum.
1.75 inch. Shell plates are limited maximum thickness of 1.75 inch. Where it is given here. Shell plates are limited to maximum 1.4214. Okay. Next one,
Which of the following is not,
sorry,
which of the following is not a request for shell plates that are
thicker than 1.5 inch. Which are the following not a requirement? What is the requirement for more than 1.5? It should be fine grain practice, impact tested, normalized or punch number. So it is a not requirement, just to see and answer. Which of the following is not a requirement?
yes.
Yeah, this is not a requirement. See, one part that shall be made fine grain, it is there. Normalized or punch number, it is there. Impact tested, not a requirement. Is answer is A. So where it is given in here. Normalized, punch tempered, killed, or impact tested. Okay, next question.
What is the maximum shell plate thickness permitted for a tank tablet is not? Yes.
36. What is the maximum? 1.5 inches. That is the answer. Where it is given here. 36, 1.5 inches. Next question. Right.
What is the maximum shell plate thickness permitted for a tank fabricated of ASTM?
Okay, answer is 1 inch thickness, A288 grade C. So please online, if you don't understand any of this question or you cannot look at, please ask, I will show you. Okay. Grade C, 1 inch, it is there. It is all continuous only actually. Next. Padinga.
All welding to repair surface defects shall be done.
So repair slow hydrogen electrode. Where it is given? Or 4.2.7.2. All welding surface shall be low hydrogen welding electrodes. That is the answer. Next one.
Conducting impact is how many specimens?
Only one by one. Each 10 questions. Okay, I repeat.
Conducting impact is how many specimens are required from a single test?
How many specimens?
One set.
Yes.
3 specimens. These are closed book question. 3 specimens taken from a single test coupon. Okay, next.
In situations where it is not possible to obtain full size specimens, what is the regular release
80%.
amount?
So there should be a 80% material thickness should be remain. So where it is given, this is given in impact test requirements. If you go there, here, it is 4293. So this is 4295. Okay. Yes. Next one.
Unless data is available to justify a different temperature, what must the same metal temperature be at? Above ground storage tank will be installed.
Birmingham, Alabama. Check this. What is the design temperature for a tank should be located in Alabama, Birmingham. So first, what is the graph, that map, what is the temperature given for? 0 degree they are given? 5 degree. Yeah. Birmingham, just check what is the temperature they are given. So Birmingham is here.
So 20 degree Fahrenheit, sir.
It is close to 5 degree. It is close to 5 degree here. It is not 0. 5 plus 15, we have to add 5 plus 15. So answer is 20 degree. Okay. No, same. That is the state they are checking. Okay. Next. Okay, next.
Unless data is available to justify a different temperature, what must the design method temperature be for
Indiana Police, Indiana. Minus minus 10 or plus 15. See where they are asking the design temperature.
5 degree.
5 or minus 5. 5 degree. Minus 10 plus 15. It will be 5 degree. The design temperature shall be 5 degree. Okay. Next.
What is the required average longitudinal impact value of three specimen taken from 1.375 thickness A51660 normalized to
Normalized group 3A material, what should be the longitudinal impact test values? No, you have to refer the impact test value table, not this table. Impact test value for group, yeah, that page. Group 3A. Group 3A, what is that? 15, 15. So group 3A longitudinal, okay, we have to have 15. So that is the answer. So answer is 15 foot-pounds. Okay, right, correct. Good. Next.
what is the required average longitudinal impact value of three specimen taken from 1.5 inches thickness A51660
Group 4 1.5 inch thickness test coupon. Group 4 1.5 inch thickness 30. Okay, right. Group 40. 30. Why 40? 30, yeah. So your pronunciation, I understand 40. I am telling, okay. 30, okay, right. Good. Next. Longitudinal impact is performed on 3 specimens taken from 1.5 inch as told. Specimen 1, 42, the answer. So what is the, we are getting specimen 2, 18, specimen 3, 31. Is the impact test acceptable? You have to, see, what is the actually required 1.5 inch? 516 is grade 60. First you have to find the group. 516 grade 670 Rasrold. What is the group? 516 grade 70 Rasrold.
Group 4, sir. Group 4.
Okay, 516C. See, how to answer it? First to go to this one, material grouping. 516 grade 70 Asrold. Group 4. So Asrold it is group 4. Group 4, what is the average? 1.5. Which? 1.5. 30. Okay, that is the average. 4A இதா இருக்கும் பாருங்க. 4A and Asrold இது killed fine practice. Okay, இது killed கிடையாது. Killed இது fine Asrold killed. இதுல group 4 இல்ல 516 grade 70 இல்லையே. இங்க இல்லைங்க. group 4A கிடையாது. 4 தான். 516 grade 70 அவ்வளவுதான். 4 only. 4A there is no 516 grade 70. So 30. So record value is 30. But we have 3 specimens, 42, 18, 31. Is it acceptable or not? That is the question. Is impact test acceptable or not? So one reject answer is correct, but your reason is wrong. See what code says one specimen can go below average. Here only average is 30. One is only has gone below average. That is no problem. But it cannot go below 2/3 of the average. 2/3 of the average is 20. So it is 18 that is rejected. Okay. Yes, one specimen is less than 2/3 specimen. No. The average impact of specimen no exceed no. 2 is less than 2/3 of the specimen minimum value. That is the reason. Specimen number 2 is less than 2/3 of the minimum value. So, carefully answer it. Another one, group 1. So what is the sample A? We have, see, two plate samples A and B were tested for longitudinal. They belong to group 1 as per AP 650. Okay, group 1, what is the value required? 15. Okay, so sample A, we have 18, 8 and 16. Sample B, 12, 14 and 20. What is your assessment?
First one,
First one, why it is rejected? One is less than 2/3, less than 10, 15. Second one, the 15, two values are less than, both are rejected. Both the sample A and B should be retested. But there is a different reason. We record 15. First one, because one value is below 15, but it gone below 10, 2/3 of the 15. But second two values are below 15, that's why it is rejected.
Below 10 means, if it is 10 means.
Yes, accepted.
successful.
One value can go below average. See, what is the average here? 15. One value can go below average. Two values below average are rejected. Here, two values are below average, 12 and 14. And here, one value below minimum. Minimum means 2/3 of the average. 2/3 of 15 is 10. It is less than 10, it is rejected. Okay. Where this condition is given here. The impact values. Page number 4-6, 4293. From this condition only, you have to this one. An impact is when more than one specimen less than the specified minimum value. If more than one value less than the specified minimum and one value is less than 2/3, 3 additional specimens shall be tested. Page number 4-6. Right. Next question.
What is the MDMP without impact test for A516 grade 60 as shown in material of 1.25 inches?
So how to answer it? First, you have to find the group, then you have to follow the equation, right? Try this. As rolled, killed 1.256.
Group 3, sir.
3 or 3A? Okay. Group 3.
sir.
Group 3. So what is the formula? It is 1.256. Or you can refer the graph. So this is group 3. So this is the equation you have to follow. What is the thickness? 1.25 inch. So group 3, 1.25 inch, 60x minus 70. It is a formula you have to use. 60 multiplied by 1.25 minus 70.
5, sir, answer.
Okay. So first again I am telling, so first we have to find the group. So if we take the, see, I will go back to question. The question is 516 grade 60 as rolled killed. So 516 grade 60 as rolled is group 3. So group 3 for 1.25, the formula is 60x minus 70. So answer will be 5. X is thickness. கீழ அங்க நோட் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க பாருங்க. X is equal to thickness னு கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. அதிலே கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க அதுல ஈக்குவேஷன்ல. X is thickness is, you can see here, X is, what is X? They have given here. X is the thickness including correction. That is the thickness, nominal thickness. 60 multiplied by 1.25. X is 1.25. Thickness is 1.25. Thickness is given in the question, right? 60 multiplied by 1.25, you will get 7.5. Minus 70, 75 minus 70 is 5. That's 5. X is the thickness. Okay. Next. Yes, read.
retesting is done due to the impact test failure, which of the following document should be there?
So what is the answer without seeing also? I told retesting mean all three specimen must be equal or greater than the minimum required value. Okay. Each of the additional must have the value greater than or equal to the specified minimum value. Okay, that's all. So where it is given, the same paragraph it is given. See? You can see here. Additional specimen shall be tested and each of these must have the value greater than or equal to the specified minimum value. Page number 4-6. Last line. 4293 last line. அவரை தான் மினிமம் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க நான் சொன்னேன் கிளாஸ்ல. Okay. Then next one. Okay. Accordance with 370. Next paragraph.
370.
ASTM A370.
Part methods.
No, that is another chapter. Okay, no problem. So we will go to the tough chapter. Yeah, design will go, but the design questions are from 141. Let us see how you are performing. So this is everybody was worrying in the morning. So we have question number 141 to 198. Okay. So around more than 55 questions we have. 55 questions. Okay, let us try, no problem. Yes, please read each 10 questions.
For lap fillet joints that are tack welded,
Ah.
what is the minimum amount of lap needed?
Okay.
The lap joint shall be lap at least 5 times the nominal thickness of the.
Lap joint on the 5 times thickness of the thicker or thinner. For lap, it is 5 times thickness of the thinner. I told butt weld staggering only 5 times thickness of the thicker. So the joint shall be at least 5 times nominal thickness of the. What is here? There are thinner only, but minimum required, it is a nominal thickness, not minimum required. Okay, where it is given, let us check. Chapter 5. I will show you the answers also, most of the thing. Okay. Here, 5134. No, not 51. Not 5134. What is the question? For lap welded joints that are tack welded, they are asking about the tack. Okay, they just read that. Okay, see, 5 times thinner plate joint, single weld joint shall be 5 times nominal thickness of the thinner plate. So nominal thickness, thinner only. So the 2 inch they didn't mention here. So answer is correct. Here that is 5135. Tack welded shall be as follows. 5 times thickness of the nominal thickness of the thinner plate. So answer is. Yeah. No, that is but answer. That is the see this is that is whether it is a single welder or double welder. For this answer is only 5 times nominal thickness of the thinner plate. Next one. Thinner. Okay, read next one.
Whose size is equal to the thickness of the thicker joint member is.
Thickness of the thinner joint is called as a full fillet weld. So where it is given on the terms and definition. 5.1.15 full fillet weld. This is on the page number 5, first page, design 5.1. First page, chapter 5, first page. Definition 5.1.15 full fillet weld, that is the definition. Okay. Next question.
Which of the following are requirement of API 5, API 63, including fillet welds in bottom and roof plates and shell to bottom.
Okay. So answer for group 1, 2, 3 and 3A manual welding fillet welds are group depth greater than 6 mm shall be multipass, correct. 3A for semi-automatic machine greater than 10 mm shall be multipass, that also correct. Group 4 to 6 all bottom welds shall be minimum 2 pass, that also correct. All of the above is correct. Where the requirement is given, So you have to identify where it is given. It is given here 513.6.1. So A, B, all this A, B, and 51362. For group 4 to 6, all welds should be minimum 2 passes. These are very important requirements. Just to mark it as important. These are exam important requirements. All are not important. This is important. Is it okay? Okay. Next question, please.
AP 650 requires vertical joints in adjacent cell core to be offset. What is the minimum requirement offset between the first and the second core of AST, which is 1.2 inches thick, and the second?
So first course 1.25, second course 1 inch. What should be the staggering offset between the longitudinal wells? 5 times of 1 inch or 5 times of 1.25? So thicker we have to take for longitudinal. So 5 into 1.25. What is 5 into 1.25? Calculate. 5 times 1.25. How much? Okay. So the minimum offset shall be 5 times of the not second shell course thickness of the first shell course. The minimum shall be 5 times thickness of the first shell course. That is the thicker course. Where it is given? It is given here. You can see here 5152B. Vertical joint and adjoining shall be aligned. 5TT is the thickness of the thicker course. Okay, here 5152B. It is given here. Okay. Next one.
3 plate laps in tank bottom shall be at least
Hmm.
from each other from the tank cell from bottom welded angular plate joints and from joints between angular plates and the bottom.
So it should be 12 inches from this one, from each other. 3 plate lapel, where it is given this requirement. Here you can see here 5.1.5.4.2. You can hear 3 plate lap in tank bottom shall be at least 12 inch from each other, from the tank shell and from joint sentinel bed to bottom. Okay, 51542 it is given. Yes, next please read. Yourself. So what is the maximum size fillet permitted in the attachment of lower force and shell plate and bottom plate? Shell to bottom, that fillet weld, what is the maximum size permitted? 3 by 5 or not 3 by 16, but there is no 3 by 16 here.
13.
Okay, so where you have to find the answer? Here, this is given here. It is, yeah. Who is marking on the screen? Ram, you are marking something on the screen?
Illa sir.
Somebody is doing. Okay, some marking is coming. Okay, say right. So this is maximum of each weld shall not be half an inch. Maximum allowed is half an inch. You can read this. The bottom and the under plate with a normal thickness half an inch and less the attach. What is the question? What is the maximum perimeter attachment in the lower shell course and the bottom plate? Okay, lower shell course and the bottom plate. Okay. Unless the attachment between the bottom and the lower shell course and the bottom plate shall be continuous fillet weld on each side, the size of each weld shall not be more than half an inch. Maximum half an inch. This is the minimum size based on this. This is the minimum. This is the minimum. Maximum is half an inch. Okay. So answer is half an inch. Maximum half an inch. Minimum depends on this one. So minimum is based on the thickness of the shell plate. Okay. Okay, next question will go. Yes, please read. Size. All plate that so for shell plate 1.25, you have to refer this table, the next one. 1.25, what is the minimum size? So 1.25 will come 5 by 16 inch. That is the minimum size. So 5 by 16 inch. Okay, previous half an inch. Okay, next.
110 feet diameter tank shall have a top angle not less than.
So what is the 100 feet diameter, 110 feet diameter top angle size? So it is given in next page. So 110 feet diameter,
110
3 into 3 into 3 by 8. 3 into 3 into 3 by 8. 3 by 3 into 3 multiplied by 3 by 8. Is it okay? Okay. Next.
How many hard tests are required on vertical? 4 and 2 6.
So harness test. 1 on each vertical weld, correct? 2 on each vertical, 1 on each 100 feet. No. So answer is A. Okay. 1 on each vertical weld, where it is given. So important is you should know able to locate. Huh? Where it is given. 5.3.4.
5.3.4.
Page number 5-14 it is given. Yeah. One test will be conducted on each vertical weld. Horizontal, every 100 feet circumferential, we have to do one test. Okay. Yes, next. Vertical. Next one.
According to the 60 tank, meaning the minimum requirement of any subject precaution of.
So what is a partial? See, what is the pressure allowed? I told 2.5 psi. What is the partial vacuum allowed? It is given the same paragraph. Here. Page number 5-9. 5.21B. 5.21B it is given. What is the partial vacuum allowed? Partial vacuum of 1 inch water, 0.25 kPa. 1 inch of water. So here 1 inch of water pressure. Next.
And AST particular AST.
Above ground storage tank.
And AST is 150 feet in diameter. Fit of 5.670. On one surface.
How many harness tests are required on the circumferential? 30 means every 100 feet one. So diameter is 116. They are giving diameter. You have to calculate the circumference. Yeah, calculate it. See, the circumference only every 100 feet one harness. They have given diameter 116 multiplied by 3.14. What is the answer? 364. Now you have to every 100 feet one spot. 360 now 4 spots. Amanga, every 100 one 360 3.6 spots is not possible. 4 spots we have to take. So you have to take 4 spots. Next.
In the order and above ground storage tank and insist on a horizontal allowance to the bottom plate of 0.15 inch. Minimum thickness.
Tell me how to answer this question. See, what is the minimum thickness permitted for a bottom plate? 6 inches. 0.25. Okay, quarter inch. 0.25. That is the limit. They are in correction. We have to add the correction on 0.25 plus 0.125. So what will be answer? 0.375, which will equal to 0.375. Try this. Three divided by 8 which 3 divided by 8. Okay, how you have calculated? See, this is from here. You can see the bottom plate. Bottom plate all bottom plates shall have a corroded thickness of not less than 0.236 inch. That is a minimum required. That is a corroded thickness. Corroded thickness means without corrosion allowance. One owner specify 0.125. So you have to add 0.236 plus 0.125. Okay. So 0.236 plus 0.125, it will 0.38. So 0.38 is equal to 3/8 inch. 3/8 inch. If you convert it into, so you have to try one by one. You know, quarter inch is 6 mm. It half an inch is now the 0.5 inch. So either it will be this one or this one. Just to check 5/16. What is the answer? 5 divided by 16. 0.31 only come, but we need a 0.38. So it is for 3/8 inch. Okay. Next. Yes, yourself.
What is the minimum position of single bottom beyond the outside? That's in bottom.
So what is the trimmed out the bottom place beyond the outside weld? Weld, what should be the weld? It should be minimum.
Minimum 1 inch.
Minimum 0.5 inch or
They are asking from outside edge of the weld. They are not from the shell. I told from shell it should be 2 inches. From the weld, half an inch. Okay. Half an inch it should be there. Okay. So again, where it is given here. This from this one. Next one, 5157. It will be here. 5157 is here. Yeah. Page number 5-8, it is given. The bottom shall be sufficient minimum half an inch from the toe of the fillet weld outside from the bottom on the plate. 5157E, page number 5-8. Next question, please.
The bottom plate shall have a radial width that provides at least as between the inside of the cell and any lap.
So what should be the width of the under plate? 24 inch. Correct. Correct. 24 inches. Inches we will answer it. But bracket they will give millimeter. Exam they will give millimeter also bracket. Okay. If you identify the answer, you can answer is where it is given. Yeah. So here the formula under bottom plate formula you can see. Okay. This is one. Not less than 24 inch. It is given 5.52. Correct. Is correct. 5.52. Not less than 24 inch. That is the minimum. Then next question.
How far must under bottom plate
Or often beyond the edge of the well. That is the one. Okay. Next. 5/8 inch. Table of under plate bottom thickness table 5.1b. You have to refer and answer it. Try this. You have to refer the table and answer it. Answer is C. Yeah. So how to check is 1 5/8. So first you should know what is meant by 5/8. So 5 divided by 8.
1.625.
So 8 is 1.625 and the stress is 33,000. So 1.625. So 1.625 will come here, last one, and 33,000 will here. 33,000. So answer is 3/4 inch, right? Okay. 3/4 inch. So answer is 3/4 inch. Very good. Next.
according to API 650, what is the minimum allowable nominal cell thickness of an AS?
The table, above that there is a table. What is the minimum thickness of 86 feet diameter?
Minimum nominal cell thickness.
So 86 feet, so if it is a 50 to 120, it will be 1/4 inch, the minimum thickness. See, 86 feet will come. Don't see the meter. Okay, you see the feet, it is 1/4 inch. Answer is 1/4 inch. Next.
Unless otherwise agreed to the minimum nominal width of
Okay. Okay. Unless otherwise, so what is the minimum nominal width of the shell plate? What is this? 72 inches. Where it is given the 72 inches? 5.6.1.2. You can see width is 72 inches. Then next one.
100 feet diameter times 1.
This one I think we calculated it. Okay, 100 feet now we have to take radius 50 feet. What is the slope? 1:120. 50 divided by 120. I think answer will come 5 inches. Yesterday it come 5 inches. We calculated it yesterday. Next.
In calculating the net plate thickness of AS, we calculated of A516 grade.
Product design stress for 516 grade 60. Check the table and answer. This is an important question actually. 516 grade 60. We have to refer only B table. What is the stress value?
21,300.
21,300. Sorry. So 516 grade 60, 21,300. It is given here. The next question.
Appendix A in the design of 62 diameter by 8 inches. A516 grade 60.
See, if you are using appendix A, I told you the stress is fixed. What is the stress we will use? 21,000. Appendix A say, so where it is given, just to see this below the table. Where it is given? 5.6.2.3. You can see here. Okay, annexure A permits the allowable stress 21,000. It is a fixed value. Alternative design with the fixed allowable stress of 21,000, 5.6.23. Okay, just a little cooperate. Okay, another we will complete this section. ஒன்னும் ரொம்ப போர் அடிக்கல இல்ல? Okay, right. Okay. Next one. So what is the maximum diameter? We can use 1 foot formula. Maximum 200 diameter. Tanks 200 feet diameter and less. We can use only this one. Where it is given that 1 foot formula, see, you can see here. The 1 foot width calculate. This method shall not be used for tanks larger than 200 feet diameter. 5631. It cannot be used. 1 foot method cannot be used more than 200 feet diameter. எவ்வளோ diameter வரைக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? Up to what diameter? What is the maximum that permits 1 foot method? Okay, next question. From here only the actual head deck starts. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 inch. From 2 inch flange we need a reinforcement. Where it is given 2 inch reinforcement? It is given here. Shell opening, so we have to search 5.7.2.1. It is given in 5.7.2.1. Openings in TAG shall larger than required to accommodate NPS2 flange shall be reinforced. Okay, that is the one. See, somebody asked in the morning how the exam question will be asked. I told you we will review. This is the way exam question will be asked. Okay, these are open book question only. Most of the question from 650 will be open book. Okay. Next.
While installing a clean system, that part
As welded, no PWST. Okay, how to answer it? We have to refer the sketch. See, just to read the question. When installing openings, shell openings means you have to refer the shell opening sketch. So where is the shell opening sketch? I told you this is the shell opening sketch. Okay. Now I show you the question. Try to answer. Thickness greater than half an inch. They have given thickness greater than. You can see the various column in the sketch. See, first one is T less than half an inch, as welded or PWST. Greater than half an inch, as welded. Greater than half an inch, PWST. So we have to refer either this two. Okay. Now, greater than half an inch, edge of the fillet weld around the periphery of the reinforcing pad. From reinforcing pad shall be placed at least greater dash from the central line of any butt weld shell joints. So what should be the distance between the reinforcement and the butt weld joint? Okay, if you see reinforcement here, what is the horizontal A, vertical B? If you see A and B, okay, what is the A here for greater than half an inch? 8, both are same only. A and B, any visual, 8 times W means weld size or 10 inch thickness. Here you can see that it is highlighted here. Okay, this is the answer. Whether it is a horizontal or vertical, the dimension is same. Okay, so answer is 8 times the weld size or 10 inches. This is the way you have to answer it. புரியுதா எப்படி பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்ட்டு. So first you have to see what is the condition they have given. They have given greater than half an inch. They didn't mention. Say they have given no PWST. That's why we refer the no PWST. As well as no PWST.
A and B எப்படி சார் சொன்னீங்க? அது மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
இருக்கு பாருங்க, இங்க பாருங்க. இதாங்க reinforcement plate.
ஆமா சார்.
From vertical weld the distance is A. From horizontal weld the distance is B.
ஆமா சார்.
Both, and they are given as welded in the question. There is no say they can no PWST.
ஆமா சார்.
And this is greater than half an inch, right?
ஆமா, ஒரே நிமிஷம் சார். fillet weld around
thickness greater than half an inch. Okay, is it okay?
சார் அது A and B எப்படி அதெல்லாம் புரியுது சார். நோ PWST புரியுது, as welded புரியுது. ஆனா அது A and B ஏன்னா மத்ததெல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது A and B எப்படி கரெக்ட்டா சூஸ் பண்ணீங்க? அதுதான் புரியல.
What is the question? Read that question.
When
Edge
installing
of the fillet weld around the periphery of the reinforcing pad. Fillet weld of the reinforcing pad shall be spaced greater of the center line of any butt welded shell joint. In shell, there will be two butt welded, either longitudinal it is or circumference. Okay.
ஆமா சார்.
Okay, so if it is a longitudinal butt weld, that is the A. Circumference, it is the B. See this drawing, see the sketch.
புரியுது சார்.
A, B both have same value only.
ஆமா சார்.
Around that is the answer. But if it is piece possible heated, the answer will change. If you see PWST, A should be 6 inch, B should be 3 inch or 2.5 inch.
Sir,
B will change.
Sir, இதுவே இந்த क्वेश्चन வந்து with post well heated கொடுத்தானா என்ன சார் ஆன்சர் இருக்கும் இதே क्वेश्चனுக்கு? இல்ல
இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுங்க சார், நான் மத்தவங்கள ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இங்கிலீஷ்ல.
For the same if you gonna
yeah, if they ask they will PWST, then you have to refer this column. Yes, sir. A will be 6 inches.
Okay.
So what is the A? A means the distance between the vertical weld and the reinforcement plate.
Yep.
You can see this side also A is reinforcement and vertical weld. Anywhere reinforcement and vertical, the dimension is A.
Okay.
B is horizontal to reinforcement. Okay. See, when the I will explain. When the thickness is less than half an inch, whether it is as welded or PWST, A is 6 inch, B is 3 inch. Very simple.
Sir.
But if it is as welded, when the thickness is greater than half an inch, as welded 8 W is a weld size or 10 inches, B also same. That is our question answer. But if it is PWST, A is 6 inch, B is 3 inch or 2.5 inch. Yeah, the question must be read properly. I told you, but unfortunately, they will ask only one question or sometimes maximum 2 questions. This type of question, referring the table. First, you have to read the question properly. Question will have all information. You can see all information. They give greater than half an inch, and they given as well that no PWST from the pad should be from the pad to the any butt weld. Okay. That this much explanation is enough. Yes, next. When installing openings adjacent to each other, how much space must there between the wells around the periphery of the reinforcing plate thickness more than? So reinforcing plate to reinforced plate, what should be the thickness when the thickness is more than half an inch? First, we have to find out the symbol. What is the symbol? Reinforcement to reinforcement, what is the symbol? E. We have to refer the E. Okay, what is the E? So what is the thickness they have given? When the thickness more than half an inch as welded. What is the more than half an inch as welded is here? As welded 8 E. This is the E, right? 8 times weld or 6 inches. Or 6 inches. So answer is we have to answer 8 times a weld or 6 inches from each other. Ram, you getting?
Yes, sir. I could understand this one, sir. Maybe I will. I mean, I didn't read the question properly.
Okay.
See,
no
I mean, I
problem.
could understand that it says reinforcement
Okay.
as welded.
Periphery means around the reinforcement fillet weld. That is the meaning of periphery.
Okay. That's why I couldn't. Okay, sir.
Okay. Next. So next also same question only. Read this.
A minimum distance of that shall be maintained between the toe of the weld around the
Non-reinforced penetration and shell to bottom weld of less than 0.5 inch. Non-reinforced penetration. So where is the non-reinforced penetration? This is the non-reinforced penetration. Shell to bottom, what is the distance? C. Less than half an inch, what is the C dimension? 3 inch. Is it clear? See, this is the non-reinforced. SN is the, see, you can see SN is the shell opening, neither reinforced nor a thickened first. So we have to refer the C. Answer is 3 inch. So straight away answer is 3 inches. Even they are given in sentence also. Paragraphs also they are given. But no need to refer the paragraph. Just you can see the drawing. Question I read பண்ணுங்க. Doubt இருந்தா. If you understand the drawing, you can answer all questions. Okay. Next.
subjected to the acceptance of the public manufacturer, they locate a subcontractor
Provided. So what you see, I told you morning, when you making any opening on the butt weld, we have to take radiography. We have to take radiography. So where it is given, the problem is 650 is table somewhere else, paragraph will be somewhere else, table will be somewhere else. Same book only, exam book only. Because the sentence, if you want, okay. Right, here. Page 5734, page number 5-49, it is given. You can see if there is no other feasible option, purchaser accept design may be located on horizontal, vertical or vertical butt weld, provided the minimum spacing dimensions are met and the radiography examination shell design is conducted. So we have to take radiography examination. 5.7.3.4. It is given in 5.7.3.4. 5.7.3.4, you can see if there is no other feasible option and the purchaser accepts the design, circular shell openings and reinforcing plate if it may be located in a horizontal or vertical butt welds, provided the minimum spacing dimensions are met and the radiography examination is conducted. So we have to take how much distance you have to take radiography? I told 3 times. If it is 3 inches, we have to take 3 times. Okay. So that is the answer. Minimum diameter required, minimum spacing ultrasonic radiography. Okay. Yeah, B. Next one.
All must be not be
This is a simple question. What is the holding temperature? 1100, 1200 for 1 hour per inch reinforcing, not reinforcing. 1 hour per inch of shell thickness. Everywhere it is 1100, 1200, but what is the shell thickness? So 1100 to 1200 shell thickness. 57.
57.8.
Is that where is? Okay, 5.7.4.8. You can see 1100 to 1200, 1 hour per inch of shell thickness. Key word is the shell thickness. It is not a reinforcement plate thickness. Okay, 57.4.1. Next question.
To acceptance of the purchase of fabricator may express relief at a temperature of up to the direct very incorrect stress relief. The minimum temperature of
So if you are reducing, how much you are reducing 1100 to 100 degree Fahrenheit you are reducing. What should be the minimum holding time? 4 hours per inch thickness. Or where it is given, you can see the table. See, when you are reading 1000, it should be 4 hours per thickness. 5748. Okay, just I will stop 5 minutes. We'll have a short break. We will continue. We'll complete this one. Okay, just a 5 minutes break. Please be on the line. After 5 minutes, we will start online. Just a short break.
Okay, sir.
Right, what solution at all? Question will not ரைட் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு தடவை பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஈஸியா இருக்கு டக்கு டக்கு பிராக்டிஸ் தான்
இதே மாதிரி தான் ஒரு pattern.
நீங்கப்பா ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் எஸ் ப்ளீஸ் okay, I will give you time, you try this. Which table you have to refer? What is the minimum required thickness of a manhole cover plate to be used on 24-inch manhole? The maximum design liquid level is 44 feet. Just you have to refer the table, manhole table, just to go. So design liquid level also they are given. So there is only one table which mention design liquid level. So 44 feet, 24 means what is the minimum manhole cover plate? So answer is 5 by 8 inch. Where it is given? It is given here. No, the tables are not arranged for this one. Okay, you can see here. So this table you have to refer. Thickness of shell manhole plate and the bolting flange. So diesel liquid level is 44. 24-inch manhole should have 5 by 8 inch. Again, I will repeat, maybe 1 or 2 questions will be like this. So minimum design, maximum design liquid level is 44 feet. Right. Is it okay? Next one. What? Yeah, yes, please. Okay. Next one. What is the bolt to circle diameter for the cover plate? A 30-inch diameter manhole.
36.4 inch.
So from which table you referred? 5 point?
5.5.
Okay. So 36 1 by 4 inch. 4 circle diameter for 30 is 36 1 by 4 inch. This table we have to refer. What is the bolt to circle diameter? 36 1 by 4 inch. Okay. Next one.
But you know that order 36 is matter of the short. 1.37. The required bolt diameter
Okay. So the manhole size is 36 inch. So what should be the hole diameter? What is the record hole diameter you have to touch? So it will be more than 36. So you can have 36 1 by 36 3 by 4 inch. How to answer it? There is a table again. Hole diameter. Okay. Page number 5-42. So this is the formula you have to follow. See, maximum page number 5-42. Table 5.7b. Maximum diameter of the hole in shell plate equals outside diameter of pipe plus we have to add it. What is our outside diameter? What is our T and T? See, T and T they have given 1.3575 inch. So 36 is the manhole. How much thickness you have to add for 1.375 inch? What is 1.37? It is 1 by 3/8. So 3 by 4 inch we have to add. 36 3 by 4 inch. 3 by 8 will be 0.375. Just a second, 0.3 by 8. So answer is 36 3 by 4 inch. 36 inch is a hole diameter. Okay, how much it should be the hole nozzle plus 3 by 4 inch we have to add. நாசிலோட சைஸ் 36 ஹோல் அதோட பெருசா இருக்கும் வெல்ட் அடிக்கிறது. எவ்வளவு பெருசா இருக்கணும்னா இந்த திக்னஸை பொறுத்து, ஷெல் திக்னஸை பொறுத்து. ஷெல் அண்ட் இது வந்து 1.375. 1.375 இங்க என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? This is 1.375. 1/3/8. See what is that? Maximum diameter of the hole in shell plate equals outside diameter of pipe plus this dimension you have to add 3 by 4 inch you have to add. Okay, so our pipe outside diameter is given in the question itself. It is the 36 inch. So 36 inch 3 by 4. No, manhole only 4 size. Manhole have only we have 20, 24, 30, 36. Nozzle only we have different size. Okay, next. This is very important question. How many inches it extend? 3 inch beyond the foundation ring wall. Yeah, 75. Where it is given? It is given very previous. In the drip ring, it is in the starting. So drip ring, because some questions are shuffled. Here, page number 5-14 is given. The drip ring shall extend 3 inch beyond the outer periphery of the foundation ring wall. That is a very important question. Next. The foundation la thanni ullara povama irukku. Which are the following considered permanent attachments? Wind girders, all of the above. This all are considered as a permanent attachment. So where you will find, generally it will be a closed book question. There is a permanent attachment. There will be a page permanent attachments. Just you can move on. There will be a paragraph permanent attachments. So exam also you have to scroll it. You can see there is a shell manifold, shell nozzles, first type. So here, page number 5-67, permanent attachments, shell attachment, permanent attachments including wind girders, all these things. 5.8.1.1. Page number 5-67. These are the permanent attachments. You have to search for the heading. That's all. Next.
What is the maximum size opening that they
Okay. Maximum size opening placed on the cover plate. No, that is the minimum. Cover plates. Here. It is given in page number 5-69, 582. Okay, maximum 12 inch. Reinforced weaponing shall not exceed NPS 12 inch pipe size. 5.8.3.2. 12 inches pipe size. Next. 12 inches. See where it is given. Just I show you 5.832. Maximum 12 inch cover plates. Okay. Next one. Okay, next.
minimum distance between permanent and vertical and vertical.
So horizontal, same permanent attachment only you have to read. No, it is 3/6 inch. Here it is given. See 5.812A. Permanent attachments may be welded directly to the shell. Maximum leg dimension of 13 mm. The edge of any permanent 3 inch from the horizontal, 6 inch from the vertical. 3 inch from the horizontal and 6 inch from the vertical. So horizontal
And vertical.
6 inch and 3 inch. Okay. See, they are giving what is vertical 3 inch, 3 inch from horizontal and 6 inch from the vertical. So horizontal first, but here okay, 6 inch from the horizontal. Okay. No doubt. See 3 inch from horizontal, 6 inch from the vertical. ஆமா ஆன்சர் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹரிசாண்டல் தானே கேட்டிருக்காங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹரிசாண்டல் தென் வெர்டிகல் சோ 6 inch and 3 inch 6 and 3 horizontal vertical 6 and 3 okay
The edge of the permanent attachment is 3 inch from the horizontal, 6 inch from the vertical.
அப்படியா
இல்லையா?
இல்ல 1 minute
Horizontal 3.
the edge of any permanent attachment இல்ல see this is the one permanent attachment. The edge of any permanent shall be at least 3 inch from horizontal and 6 inch from the vertical. Which one you are telling? Last one?
The last one.
Additionally, any splice weld is different.
The answer B.
இல்ல என்ன ஆகுறோம் இல்ல 3 inch from the horizontal and 6 inch from the vertical. Okay, so we missed something. Okay, so what is the horizontal 3 inch? Okay, you are right. 3/6 correct. Okay, right. Shell opening reinforced plate insert plate shall have a rounded corner with the radius of very important question. So what should be the radius of this one? 6 inch and 6 times shell thickness, whichever is greater. Okay, where it is given, what should be the rounded this one? So shell openings reinforcement plate insert plate shall have rounded corners. So you have to check the shell openings. Okay, it's given 5.28.
Sir, 5.7.17, sir.
Okay, very good. People are searching fast.
6 inch or 60.
Okay, 5717, 5.28. Greater than 6 inch or 60 thickness of the justice one. Okay, that is the answer. Then next one, when penetration without reinforcement is crossing a vertical joint, what should be the minimum distance it should cross the vertical joint? That is the drawing you have to refer. the minimum vertical joint, how much it is crossing. This one, page number 5-50. The vertical joint, how much it is crossing when it is 8 times cell thickness or half of the radius, whichever is less. Okay, 8 times shell thickness or half of opening, whichever is less. Okay, so it is not greater, whichever is less. Half of the radius of the opening, whichever is less. Minimum spacing 8 times the shell opening or half of the radius, whichever is less. Okay, right. The periphery of thicker insert prod shall be tapered. This is very simple question. What is the tapering? 1:4. So no need to refer code, you can answer it. All free ones shall be provided with the portion resistant 3/4 inch mesh. What should be the mesh? The maximum opening size. Vala kudukunumla valayila and the netla vandu what should be the course mesh? 3/4 inch. This is also close book question only. The maximum size of rectangle roof opening cover plate 3 feet by 6 feet. Okay, where it is given, that is again you have to refer the sketch. Roof openings. So it is given page number 5-75, 3 feet by 6 feet. This is the 3 feet by 6 feet. 6/3 or 3/6, whatever you call. Okay. If the material tensile strength is 70,000 and yield strength is 38,000, what should be the design stress? 70 and 38. So we have to design stress. What formula you have to use? The 2/3 of the yield strength or 2/5 of the tensile strength. Calculate it. Design stress, calculate it.
நீங்க போயிட்டு இருக்க முடியல பைசா வந்து இப்படியே பைசா கொஸ்டின் வச்சு
இதே பாவி இதேங்க டென்ஷன் பில்ட் போட்டா ஒரு 46,000
இதெல்லாம் வந்து
டென்ஷன் போய் இங்க ரஷ்யா அடிச்சிருக்கீங்க இங்கே படிச்சிருக்கீங்க அடிச்சு கொண்டு நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம் எஸ்டி தானே
Whichever is lower. Whichever is lower. So answer 25, 300. So you can see whichever is less only it is given in the code. Whichever is less only it is given in the code. I think they given whichever is less.
இதுல வந்து நீங்க எடுக்கிறது வந்து whichever is less ன்னு சொல்லுங்க
இங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. The design stress shall be the 2/3 of the yield strength or 2/5 of the tensile strength, whichever is less. We have to calculate the 2/3 of the yield strength. So yield strength, what is given here? Question yield strength, they are given 38,000. So 2/3 of the 38,000 is so 25,333. Okay, round they will round use a round value 25,300. Then next one is 2/5 of the 28,000. Sorry, 70,000. This 28,000, which is the lower value, 25,300 only lower. We have to use the lesser value only. Yes.
This is the one point whichever is less. For another topic, you say that whichever is greater.
No, yield strength tensile and I didn't say anything whichever is greater. No. அது வந்து thickness, design thickness, TD, TT and the table value out of 3 whichever is greater. That is for the shell thickness calculation. That is for the stress. Stress வந்து we have to take always lower stress. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Okay. What is the minimum nominal thickness permitted for roof plate? Very simple question. Okay. What is the roof plate thickness? 5 mm. But what is the gauge? How much gauge? There is one thing, gauge measurement, gauge sheet. So you refer it. Okay. Even though it is a simple question, because the 7 gauge or 9 gauge is confused. So roof, you can see here 7 gauge sheet, page number 5-92. Yeah. Roof plate shall have a nominal thickness of not less than 5 mm or 7 gauge sheet. But a gauge sheet generally exam they will not ask. You should know 3/16 inch. That's all. 7 gauge sheet, 3/16 inch. Next one. At least 5 times the nominal thickness of the thinner plate, but not exceed 1 inch for single welded and 2 inch for double welded object. It is starting, so we no need to search. So how much maximum lap single welded now? 1 inch enough. 2 inch double welded means 2 inch enough. It is given for the bottom weld. This calculation yesterday we did. Okay. So we got some answer. What is the answer you got? Okay, we remember, no problem. This also we did. This also we did. Okay, now 36 inch diameter draw of sump. What should be the distance from center pipe to shell? Draw of sump to center pipe to shell. What should be the distance? First, you have to identify the sketch. Which page? 578. Okay. Page number 5-77. See, what is the dimension? See, this is the one. Shell to center pipe C. C dimension we have to see. Correct, Dana? C. So, which table you have to refer? You can see the table we are at the bottom they have given. 5-16B. 5-16B we have to refer. Next page it is there. What is the answer now?
5 feet. 5 feet.
What is the dimension center pipe to cell? 36 inch another 5 feet. You can see here. C answer dimension should be 5 feet. In feet, 5 feet. Okay. Next, what should be the roof rafter spacing of roof thickness 0.5 inch? Yield strength 21,000 and pressure 2 psi. Calculate it. Rafter spacing, there is a formula here. We didn't work it out in the class. See, this is the formula. T into 1.5 Fy divided by P square root of T into 1.5 F. This is the formula. Page number 5-95. I will display the question just to try this question. See, 62 or the okay. I don't know because you calculate it, right? Okay, then no problem. Right. Next one. Is it okay? Square root only, just to rotate your phone, you will get the square root.
So can you please go back to the question? So,
Exam, they will provide you calculator. They will provide you. You cannot take your mobile phone or calculator. What is the maximum allowed is 72. There is no 84. There is no problem. So you have to calculate the value. So it will come in 62 inches, right? $88. So you are using calculator, right? What is your answer? Okay, I will calculate, no problem. Right. Just a minute. So what is the formula? The first we have to take the square root 1.5 Fy divided by P. Okay, first, sorry. 1.5 Fy. So square root of 1.5 F another 21,000 into Fy illa Y என்னது yield strength F. Okay, 1.5 okay divided by P. Okay, so divided by P another pressure. Okay, why it is going here? Pressure is given as here 2. Okay, multiply by No, I have some mistake. So square root of, அப்படியே சொல்லுங்க,
Square root of 1.5
into 21,000. Okay, divided by, no.
62 the sir answer.
Huh? 62 dana. Oh, correct. First you have to do it, then you have to take square root.
So exactly.
Otherwise it will not come.
62.74, sir. 62.
Yeah, but 62. Yeah, 62. Yeah, right. Okay, next. A roof is considered dash if the roof shell joint will fail prior. That is called frangible. Okay. Next. A self-supporting cone roof. What is self-supporting cone roof? Formed approximately to the surface of the right cone, correct? Has columns and rafters. Self-supporting will not have columns and rafters. So that is not correct. Is supported periphery. So answer A and B. Next, a shell to bottom fillet wall for grade 4 metal shall be made at least 2 passes. It is given this, made at least 2 passes. A supported cone roof formed approximately surface, correct, has column and rafters. The answer is A and C. The weight of the tank component including any corrosion is called as a dead load. These are the closed book questions. If frangible roof radius is 72 feet, what should be the slope from the top angle? So frangible roof, what is the slope here? See, this is the frangible roof. Self-supporting, no. So frangible roof slope should be 2:12. So what is your radius they are given directly. So how to calculate the slope? 2:12 means 72 multiplied by 2 divided by 12. So 12 feet. That is the answer. What should be the thickness of wear plate welded to the column? So 1/4 inch. Where it is given the wear plate, this is a very important question. The wear plate, many exam, corrosion and abrasion plate. So it is given here, corrosion and abrasion protection. Okay. Page number 5-96. This is a closed book question. Thickness is 1/4 inch. That's all. So once you finish the test, okay, in this we will give you access. Just to click OK. It will show some marks because we not attended all questions. Forget. Then if you want to view the key, you can click the view key. Then it will display the which one is the correct answers also. It will take some time. So it will show the answers because we not attended all sections. So see what is the correct answer, what you submitted here. So we attended chapter 4. Chapter 4 is from 17 to 35. So we started from 17 actually. So you can see 17. Answer is correct. 17, 18. So when answer is tick means you are submitted is correct. Then we attended, this is chapter 4, 35. Then we attended from 141 to 198. Because this chapter is not arranged continuously. Yeah, you can access this. We will give you access. We will give you access. We will create a mail ID. That mail ID is your mail ID only. We will create a password and give you. This will work up to your exam. This will give all students up to your exam. We can practice in this. It is similar to AP exam. This one. So we started from 141 to last question. So this 2 calculation we skip it because we did yesterday. This calculation we skip it actually. Then I think all this is submitted. Frangible rupees 70 days. What should be the slope? 2:12. The mistake. 72 multiplied by 2 divided by, there is a mistake. It is not 6 feet, it should be 12 feet. Now what we submitted is correct. Okay. 12 தான் இருக்கணும். அதுல ஆன்சர் தப்பா மார்க்காரு. So that's all for today. Tomorrow morning we will continue 6:50, maybe another 2 hours. We will complete it. Then we'll go 6:53. Okay, see you tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.